Forever could never be long enough for me. Feel like I've had long enough with you. Forget the world now, we won't let them see. But there's one thing left to do. Now that the weight has lifted, love has surely shifted my.
You say you'll be down at 5. The smell of your perfume is floating down the stairs. You're fixing up your hair like you do. I know that I'll be a mess the second that I see you. You won't be surprised, it happens every time, it's nothing new. It's always on a night like tonight. I thank God you can read my mind. Cause when you look at me with those eyes, I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless. You are
漂亮呀！
终于加油！
说明我们的相遇，一切都很神奇。当初我在疫情的时候，来南部这边工作的时候，疫情的时候我们都怪过去，可是我们在一起，不会有无聊，也很有好玩。也是因为你让我有开开的动力，让我想认真照顾你的日子。而且我们农历不同天生，许多事情的默契也是非常的不易，让我的心越来越动了。我从来没有那么爱过一个人过，所以今天我改变了许多，也是一种这个原因。以前我们在一起，从来没有想过我有你，但当时遇到的时候，我的三观一致，默契很好，可以在一起很舒服。做什么事我都可以的，我说的你可以懂，我不说的你可以懂。希望我们未来可以一起成长，一起经历。那你是一次几个时代的，那你在一起就是一个过去的事情。就这样，你加油吧！
嫁给他，嫁给他，嫁给他。
Today and every day, marry me. If I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe, say you will. Say you will. Together could never be close enough for me to feel like I am close enough to you. Laura, you wear white and I wear and you're beautiful. Now that the wait is over, love has finally shown her my way. Marry me today and every day. Marry me. If I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe, say you will. Say you will. music dies.
跨年很小孩，这不就这样？
Today and every day, marry me. If I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe, say you will. Say